Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm super excited to dive into the magical world of growing raspberries. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just getting your hands dirty for the first time, there's something truly special about cultivating these juicy, delicious berries right in your own backyard. First things first, let's talk about choosing the right spot for your raspberry plants. Raspberries love sunshine, so find a place in your garden that gets at least 6 to 8 hours of sunlight a day. Trust me, your raspberries will thank you for it. They also need well-drained soil, so make sure your planting area doesn't retain too much water. Now let's get planting. Raspberries come in two main types, summer-bearing and ever-bearing. Summer-bearing raspberries produce one big crop in the early summer, while ever-bearing raspberries can give you berries from summer through fall. Whichever type you choose, plant them in rows about 2 feet apart and make sure each plant has plenty of room to grow. Here's a pro tip: mulch your raspberry plants. Mulching helps retain moisture, keep weeds at bay, and adds organic matter to the soil. Plus, it just looks neat and tidy. Watering is crucial. Raspberries need about an inch of water per week. Be consistent with your watering schedule, especially during dry spells. But don't overdo it. You don't want to drown the roots. Alright, now onto the fun part, feeding your plants. Raspberries are hungry growers. They'll benefit from a balanced fertilizer in early spring, followed by a high phosphorus fertilizer just before they start to fruit. This gives them the boost they need to produce those luscious berries we all love. And don't forget about pruning. Regular pruning helps your raspberry plants stay healthy and productive. Remove any dead or weak canes in the late winter and trim back the old canes after they've fruited in the summer. This encourages new growth and keeps your plants vigorous and fruitful. So there you have it, folks. With a little bit of care and attention, you can enjoy a bountiful harvest of raspberries right from your own garden. Imagine the fresh, sweet taste of homegrown raspberries on your morning cereal or in a homemade jam. Pure magic. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy planting, and I'll see you in the next video.